Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Bang & Olufsen BEOPLAY H4 second generation wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones are not connecting to your phone or other device, or if they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or if you're having any issues like this, a factory reset can fix a lot of issues like that. The second reason you might want to do that is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all of the pairing information off of them, wipe all of the settings so that you can set these up basically like they're new coming out of the box. We can do that really easily. All we need to do is basically make sure they have a decent charge on them and then turn them on. And then once we do that, we're just going to take this switch here and we're going to push it and hold it towards the Bluetooth icon here. Just hold for about 10 seconds. Basically, you're going to hold it, keeping an eye on the indicator light, and when the indicator light blinks red for about 2 seconds, that means that the reset is complete. You can release the switch, and now these headphones are ready to be set up like a new set of headphones.